Everybody knows the importance of first impressions, but are we really following that advice with our food trucks online? What's up, guys? I'm Max with Food Truck Beast, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can up your game with your first impression with your food truck here on Facebook. So, a couple of weeks ago, I posted a new Facebook banner for our group Food Truck Must Haves right here. And I told you guys, if enough people liked it, I would go ahead and create a video showing you how you can make a banner just like this for your food truck. Now you may be thinking, why is this important? Why do I need to have a banner? And this is critical because first impressions are everything. Now, if you are somebody who's looking to have your truck hired out for catering events, your customers are going to be looking at your online profile. And so you want to be able to deliver a good first impression, because if they think your profile looks bad online, chances are they're not going to trust your food for their business. So this is important to be able to have a simple, easy, and professional banner. And I'm going to show you guys how to do it, and it will take you just a few minutes. So first thing that you're going to do is you're going to head over to canva.com. Now, Canva is a great tool. Most of you are probably already familiar with it. I use the free version. There is a paid version, but I don't think it's necessary for what we're going to be doing here. So first thing you're going to do after you go to Facebook is you're going to be looking for a Facebook cover template. So you can type that in, and it's going to bring up a bunch of different templates for you that you can use. Just go ahead and scroll through this, find one that works for you, that you like the layout, that you like the design. You can go through different filters right here. So like I said, I do the free version, so I like to click free and apply that, and it's going to show me all the templates that are available for free. Now, something that I really like about Canva is all these templates are already the correct size for a Facebook banner. Now, I'm going to go back to the home screen here. Now, Facebook banner is already up here because I've been doing a couple of these already. So I'm going to click create, and it's going to create a blank one for me. Now, I'm going to show you guys my recently used one, which is right here. So I click recently used. And this is the banner that I used, the template that I used to create this for our group. Okay. So in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how I went from this to this. So first thing that I like to do is I like to start with this image. Okay. So what you're going to do is if you already have your food truck and you already have a professional image, you're just going to upload that and then drag and drop that into that space. So you can upload the photo, click upload files, you upload it, then it'll pop up here, and then you can just drag, drop, boom. Now, if you don't have your truck yet, if it's being built, do not sleep on this. Start your marketing today. You want to start building an audience immediately as soon as this idea has formed and you've decided that you're going to be operating a food truck. So you don't have your food truck yet, but you might have your concept. So this is really fun, easy to do. Now, if you click on images, or I'm sorry, if you go to elements, okay, minimize my video a little bit. So if you go here to the elements screen and you scroll down, you'll see here, generate your own. This is an AI image generator. So you're going to go ahead and click that. And here, this is where you're going to describe to the system what kind of image you want to generate. So for me, this food truck concept, we're going to call it Mighty Max's and chicken. Mighty Max's chicken and waffles. Shrink that text. Now, the reason why I want you to start with the image is because that image can really set the tone and the color palette for the rest of your banner. So my concept, Mighty Max's Chicken and Waffles. Now I'm just going to describe to the AI here what Mighty Max's is. So I want it to generate an image, no, a scene of a food truck parked on Santa Monica Boulevard. There is a beautiful sunset and a line of people at the food truck. Now, if I just hit enter, give it a few minutes, it's going to be taking that input that I gave it to come up with some different concepts, different ideas. And then from those 4 images, I can further go down into my concept. So if you like one of these, like this one here, that's pretty nice. That turned out good. It auto-generated a name, onto the truck. So maybe I don't like that. You go with that concept. See what that one looks like. That one's pretty nice too. But let's say I like this here, okay? I can click the 3 dots. I'm going to say generate more like this. And now it's going to take this image and it's going to make me additional images that kind of follow this pattern. We'll let it do its thinking. So yeah, they're just little variations, all right? So I can also come down here. The name of the food truck is Mighty Max's. Now, sometimes this works, sometimes it doesn't. So you can play around with it. And it has that name printed on the side of the truck. And we'll see what kind of images it comes up with. It might remove that name. Well, that's what I'm hoping for. But you do have to play around with this to get it to be what you want. That's not quite Mighty Max's. So in my experience, when you're dealing with words, it can be a little finicky. So that one works, that image. And that's pretty cool. I like that style. So we'll use that one. I'm going to drag and drop, boom. So I have an image. Okay, so now I'm going to play around with my coloring. So you see this gray that's around it. Doesn't really fit that image, so I can click here. And the cool thing about Canva is when you have a photo in, it will automatically generate a palette. So I can go through and I can see which one of these colors works best. I think the black looks great. You can put your logo here if you have a logo. If you don't, you can just say coming spring 2024. So this would be like if you don't have your truck yet, but it's coming soon. You're going to say book today. And then you're going to put your phone number, your website, or your email address. And then in here, you can put in your text. I would say put something that describes your truck, why you do what you do, what makes your truck special, why should people choose your truck over another truck. So anything like that would be great. You could put here. And this definitely needs some additional color to it. So using Canva, I can then just click here on the text. I can say, okay, we're going to change that to that there. It has some images preloaded. I'm going to change up the color on these. And you can make this as much of your own as you want. And there's lots of different things that you can do to do so. So another thing that you can do, chicken and waffles. Maybe I want to add some red. Mighty Max's, make it red, chicken and waffles. But another thing you can do is you can see these little images. So you can generate images that you can put there. So here's one that I did of the food truck. So I had it generate that. So like I would just go put these like if they were a stamp. So delete that one. Now this, it's too bright, doesn't really fit. So you can change the transparency of the image so it blends in a little bit better. I probably wouldn't use this image at all. I would use the tool to generate something else, or I can search images in Canva for chicken. Now these are all, or a lot of them are paid. You can see in the Pro. Oh, that one's kind of fun. I'll do that one. But again, see how it stands out too much. So I'm just going to change the transparency. We don't want that overwhelming what we want people focusing on, which is the name and the image of your truck here. Now, instead of dragging this on and doing this over and over, I just select it. I do Control Copy, and then I Control Paste. And I'm going to do that to or here, just hit duplicate. And that's going to duplicate it with that same transparency that it already has. So I don't have to redo that. I want to be efficient. And placing our little chickens throughout. So there you have it. So now I have a fancy new Facebook banner, and it didn't take very long. It took about, I don't know, maybe 8 minutes. So then after you have the image, you have the banner just how you like it. What you do is you come over to share, download, you do it as a PNG, and you go ahead and hit download. Then it downloads, and then you just head over to Facebook and you upload it. Edit. You can choose from upload, and boom, you'll have your new banner uploaded on your food truck business page. Well, I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you have any questions, you can always send me a direct message here on Facebook, or you can head over to Instagram at Food Truck Beast and send me a DM there. Happy to help and do anything I can to help you guys succeed and get your truck be noticed. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you later.